here with Warren Barrett, actually a legend. One of my, obviously, he would have gone to the World Cup the year when I was born, but I've known all about him because of my father, so on and so forth. One of the people that would have inspired me to start keeping goal, right? Disappointing result today, Coach Barrett. Obviously, you don't want it to be better. Can you walk us through the first goal? Because I think there might have been, a goalkeeping incident. Can you walk us through your take on the first goal?
I don't remember everything about the goal. We were just discussing the same thing. We have to look back at the tapes and see the build-up play. What I recall though, Andre made a brilliant save. He got a touch on the ball, hit the bar, came back out. But as I said, we'll have to watch the tape and then we can assess.
Yes, so not to stir up any issues, do you think Andre Blake could have been more dominating and a bigger presence in the 6-yard box today?
I don't think most of the crosses were in the 6-yard box. They were hit with pace and they were played mostly to the far post because we know Mexico plays. They use the wings, try to get crosses in. Andre normally dominates his area anyway, so if the crosses were close to him, I'm sure he would have gone catch or punch. I don't think the crosses were close. But adding to that, a lot of people have this notion where they think that every ball that is played inside a 6-yard box is for a goalkeeper. If the ball is whipped in with pace, there's no way a goalkeeper is going to get there. Sometimes a ball is played even at a foot or two from a goalkeeper. He cannot move because of the trajectory or the pace of the ball. But a lot of times I don't discuss football with Jamaicans in general. A lot of Jamaicans, they know the rules of the game. They don't know the inner part of the game, meaning from a coach's aspect, how to analyze and to break down and to look at things different. So some of the time I don't get involved in discussing football with people, to be honest.
Completely understand. And last question, you would have been the goalkeeping coach for Jamaica for as long as I can remember, right?
From 2009.
Yeah, and under a different regime now, are you comfortable, as Paul Hall accepted you as his goalkeeping coach and one of his assistants in open arms? Is everything copacetic in that regard?
Everybody, remember Paulie played with us in '98, and we still have a magnificent relationship. And everybody is comfortable. There are no issues where the coaching staff or the players are concerned. I mean, the build-up for this game was fantastic. We couldn't have asked more of the players. Everybody was focused, and we saw the performance even when we were down to 10. But again, that's just how it goes. But again, you play the US, you play the Mexico, the two top teams in CONCACAF, and the people who you least expect to influence the games are the ones who influence it. You go to the CONCACAF Gold Cup, the tournament is set for both teams to meet in all finals, and it's just sickening, to be honest. It's sickening that at this level there's no. You hear FIFA say this might be a controversial statement, but I'm a person who I speak my mind. FIFA speaks about fair play. And this is something even before we qualified. I've been telling friends I remember from 1990, that there are some things beyond players' control that are going to happen in games, and we continue to see it. I don't know. CONCACAF has to do something. In my opinion, I think they have to start looking at getting outside officials when it comes on to World Cup qualifications, because this is embarrassing, the performance of the officials tonight.
All right, well, thank you so much for speaking with us, Coach. You're always going to be my captain Jamaica, for leading us to the World Cup back then. All right, big up.
All right,